are doing great and welcome back to another episode of Artbeat Creativity. Where creativity begins and we'll do lots of magic. As I promised you in my previous episode that we'll be learning how to make wax candles. Yes friends, in today's episode I'll teach you how we can easily make wax candles without using any kind of mold. Each and everyone can make this simple wax candles and beautify your home using them. And before proceeding further, if you're new to my channel and watching my channel for the first time, then do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss on any of my updated videos. You can also follow me in my Instagram ID which is mentioned below, so you can get all the latest updates and DIYs pictures in my Instagram account. You can also DM me your queries in my Instagram account as well. Artbeat Creativity is all about DIYs, makeovers and home styling, where you can easily learn and decorate your home with beautiful and very easily available things. So without delay, let's get started. To make this candle, we will use a double boiling method. To start with, here I have taken a container and filled the bottom with water. So we will be boiling this water. So inside this water, we will place a glass ball. Please make sure you use a very good quality glass ball. And into this, I will put my wax. So this wax is something which I've got it from Itsy Bitsy. So you can see the link which is given in the description below. These are very soft wax and it gives a very smooth look to your candle. As per the size of the candle that you are going to make, we need to add that much amount of wax into the bowl. So here I have almost filled more than half of the bowl with the wax. Now allow the water to boil, and once the water is boiled, then you can lower the flame. You need not stir it continuously, but make sure the wax is melting. So if you find lumps, you can just break down and give so that the wax melts easily. So for my wax to melt, it has almost taken 10 minutes for the entire wax to become a liquid consistency. When you're making wax, make sure you do not burn yourself while pouring, as it will be very hot, and if you have children at home, make sure you keep it away from them. So this is how the wax will look like once it is melted. 2 minutes I've left it like that. So since I'll be making these candles without using any kind of mold, so that you can also make them easily at home, so here I'm using a normal paper cup, and to this I'll be adding a candle wick. The link of this wick is also given in the description below, so you can go and buy them easily. Just have to keep this wick in between like this, and then if you feel that it's going to fall or something, you can take a stick or something and wrap your wick in between and just drop it in between like this. Okay, now slowly we will start. So if you want any color to this particular candle, then you can pour some color as well. Once the wax is all melted, you can add the desired color to your candle. So here I have put the color directly to the cup. So this is candle making dye. The color is midnight blue. So the link is given in the description below. The more you add the dye, the darker will be your candle color. Once you've added the color, mix it properly and allow the wax to settle down and dry. So for my next candle, I will use a normal wax crayon. Make sure when you use it, you use wax crayon, not any other crayon. So add whichever color you need into the hot wax and your colorful candle is ready. So this is how the candle is going to look like once it is all set. So I have left the candles to dry and settle down for almost 3 hours. So the candle which I have made is almost 2 inch in height, the one which is green in color. So for this to dry, it has taken almost 3 hours. If you make a taller candle, then it may take more time. So this is how the candle will look like. So you can just give a trim across, and or else you can heat a spoon and smoothen or level the candle base. Isn't it so simple? Now you can create your own colorful candles using the left out crayons and some wax. You can also use some used candles and do the same process. Hope that this video was useful to you, and now you can beautify your home using beautiful colorful candles and enlighten all the space in your home. If you do not want to spend more on such kind of wax, you can use the used wax that is already available, the normal candles which has become small. Just collect them and melt them, break them down and do the same double boiling method. And instead of buying a wick, you can also use a cotton wick. Just roll the cotton and you're ready to go. So it's very simple and easy. In my next episode, I will teach you how we can make some designer candles as well. So see you next time. Till then, take care and bye-bye.